Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can mirror your Android device on your Windows 11 operating system using a tool called Screencopy or Scrcpy. Screencopy is a free and open source tool, so you can use it freely. And let's see how we can download it first, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can mirror your Android device using that tool. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Scrcpy, and the first result which you will see here will be from github.com/GenyMotion/screencopy. So just click on this GitHub link. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly click on this link and come to this website. Now in here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to read more about Screencopy, what it can do. It says this application provides display and control of Android devices connected via USB, right? Now when you scroll more down here, you will be able to see how you can get this app. And for Windows, you have this download link here. So I'm going to click on this download link, which is in front of this Windows. And what this is going to do is it's going to start the download of this zip file. So once this zip file is downloaded, you just need to go to the location where it's downloaded, and you can just cut it from here and just paste it wherever you feel comfortable to place this file on your Windows 11 operating system. What I generally prefer, I generally try to go to my C drive, and here I create a folder with the name Scrcpy. So I know that this is the destination and it's easier to remember also, right? And once this folder is created, I'm going to paste this zip file which I have downloaded, and then you can extract this file using any tool. Windows also provide you a tool to extract this file. So just right click on it and then click on extract all, and then you just need to provide the destination. So I'm going to extract all these files to the same folder, which is called Scrcpy. Okay, so C:\\Scrcpy, and then click on extract, which is going to extract all the files in the same folder. So you can see all these files are extracted here. After extracting this zip file, if you want to delete this zip file from here, it's okay. So once you have extracted this file, what you need to do? So you can see there is this executable file here, which is called Scrcpy, which helps us to just run our Android device and mirror our Android device on our Windows 11 operating system. So once again go to this GitHub website of Screencopy, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see how you can use it. So you can see under run, you just need to give this command on your command prompt or your terminal in order to connect your Android device to your Windows 11 operating system. So let me show you how you can use it. You have two options to use this file. One is, if you don't set the environment variable, then you need to every time go to the same folder, and from here you need to open the terminal. So right click and then open in Windows terminal, or you can open the command prompt from here. Just write cmd and then open the command prompt and then cd to this folder. Okay, so right click and then open in terminal. It's going to open in the PowerShell, you can see here. And you can also see that this folder is C:\\Screencopy. Now at this point, you need to connect your Android phone via USB cable to your Windows 11 operating system. It's same like charging your Android device using the Windows 11 operating system. So now I have connected the Android device on my Windows 11 operating system. So after connecting, you just need to type this command scrcpy.exe on PowerShell. Okay, so on PowerShell you need to type the full name, which I have typed here. So just type exactly what's written here and then press enter. And once you press enter, your Android device will be mirrored on your Windows 11 operating system. So you can see my Android device is mirrored now, and you can see that I can see my Android device, and you can see that my Android device is mirrored on my Windows 11 operating system. Now if it doesn't work for some reason, then you might need to enable the USB debugging on your Android device, right? So you can see right now the USB debugging is connected on my Android device. So I'm going to also show you how you can enable this USB debugging on your Android device towards the end of this video. Just watch this video until the end, and I'm going to show you how you can enable this, and then it's going to work on your Windows 11 operating system. Now when you are done, you just need to press Ctrl C on your terminal, and then the mirroring will stop, right? Let me show you how you can do the same on the command prompt. So just copy the path here and then search for CMD here, and then just CD and then press the path, which is C:\screen_copy. And here once again, after connecting your Android device, you just need to write scrcpy here. .exe is optional. You can just write scrcpy and then press enter on your command prompt. On PowerShell, I think you need .exe extension. So once again, you can see this Android device is mirrored on my Windows 11 operating system. Now let me show you one more thing, which is every time you can't go to this folder and then open the terminal, right? So for example, when I open the CMD and I'm in the different folder other than this screen copy folder, and let's say I want to run this command from here. For this, I need to set the environment variables. So for now, when I write scrcpy, this command will not be recognized, right? It says scrcpy is not recognized as an internal or external command. So for that, what you need to do for setting the environment variables, just copy this path and then search for environment variables. Okay, so just write environment variables in the search bar. And when you type first few letters of environment, you will be able to see this option which says edit the system environment variables. You need to open this, just click on this and then click on environment variables option here. And once you are here, you need to select path environment variables and double click on it, or you can click on edit here. Now at this point, you just need to paste this path at the very bottom. So whatever you have copied, just paste it here. In my case, it's C:\screen_copy and then press enter and then click on OK and then click on OK and then click on OK. Once you do that, you will be able to run this screen copy command from anywhere from your Windows file system. So once again, when I open the command prompt, and this time you can see I'm in the different folder other than screen copy, but still when I write scrcpy command here and then press enter, it recognizes this command and connects my Android device on my Windows 11 operating system, and I will be able to mirror this Android device on my Windows 11 operating system. Now in case you face any problem related to the mirroring of your Android device on your operating system using screen copy, you just need to enable your USB debugging on your Android device. So let me show you how you can enable your USB debugging on your Android device if you face any problem. So once again, I'm going to just show my Android screen by scrcpy command. So you can see my Android device, and then you just need to go to the settings here in order to enable the USB debugging. So once the settings open, you just need to go at the very bottom where it says about phone and click on about phone, and then just go to the build number and press it a few times. So after pressing few times, you will see that the developer option will be enabled on your Android device. So when you go back, you will see this developer option which will be enabled. So just click on the developer option, go inside that and make sure that this top developer option has been enabled. So you just need to enable the top developer option, and then you also need to make sure that under debugging section your USB debugging is on. So you need to enable this if it's not enabled. So just make sure that you have enabled your USB debugging, and then you just enable all the options related to USB debugging. Okay, so if you do that, definitely this method is going to work on your Android device. So this is how you can mirror your Android device on your Windows 11 operating system using a USB cable. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.